Vivo launches its new 5G-enabled smartphone under Y series in China called Vivo Y6e. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y6e 5G features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 6GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Vivo Y6e 5G sports a 13-megapixel primary camera on the rear with f2.2 aperture, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, IR Blastu, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.4 by 77.1 by 8.39mm, and it weighs around 209 grams. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y6e 5G has been priced in China at 1,599 Chinese yuan, and it is now available for purchase in the country in Twilight Black, Sunset Blue, and Flowing Clouds white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y6e 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.